Hey guys, it's your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey. Hey girl, where you been? Where you been? I missed y'all. I missed y'all. Oh, where I've been. I'm here. I am back. I'm here. So I have a makeup tutorial, highly requested. Everybody asks me how I do my face. I have multiple makeup looks that I do. Hey guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I am so excited. I'm so excited. The reason you're here is because you clicked on that thumbnail and you liked what you saw, and we are going to jump right into this video about this makeup look. So first of all, I do start off with this base. Go ahead and check that skin routine of how I make the skin glow and how I make the skin look amazing, and you can see how we can look on an everyday basis. After that, after I wash my face, cleanse it, because that video is below, I like to prime my face. So I like to prime my skin, and we're gonna start with this Fenty because I like this Fenty. Let's just go ahead and prime our face. This video, you know what? I'm talking to y'all right now, but I've made an executive decision. I have made an executive decision. We are going to do a voiceover. So I'm going to stop talking to y'all and I'm going to just do my face. I'm going to do my face. Let's do it. All right, guys. So it looks like I start off with my Fenty Pro Filt'r. Ooh, excited. I got a new box. This is my second bottle. I love this stuff. I have her in the color 400. And just shake it up when you first get it. 2 pumps is all you need. First pumps suck. But we got it. We get it. 2 pumps. Then I go in with my MAC 170 brush. And just basically blot it all over your face. Just blot and blend. That's what we're about to do. Blend, blend, blend. Alright guys, let's go ahead and work on those eyebrows. I use my Anastasia brow pomade. I have her in the color chocolate. And just dip it in with an angle brush and start with the bottom of your eyebrow. I like to just create that natural eyebrow line first at the bottom of my eyebrow, like so, and just go ahead and shape it. So we're shaping and defining. All right, after the bottom, I go ahead and shape the top. I put that line at the top, and I'm just creating the brow that I want. And then I just blend in the access from between the 2 lines into the brow. I don't dip anymore. I just use what I have because sometimes it turns out looking too dark. Also, this line that I'm creating in the front is just more shaping. If you notice, it's kind of like not as dark in the front because we want to create a natural looking eyebrow. All right, we're going to do that other side. And same thing, I'm just going to speed it up here and you pretty much get the drift. Bottom, top, shape. Alright guys, so how y'all think we looking? We look good? I think we looking alright. Ooh, girl, we looking like something. Spoolie time. Now let's just comb out those hairs and comb them up. Yeah, I'm just using that spoolie to comb all those hairs up. Alright, so now I'm going in with my clear Anastasia brow clear gel, and this stuff right here, man, your brows will last all day, trust me. So now it's time to clean up that look. Alright, so I'm using a concealer, my MAC. I don't know the color because it's so old, but pretty much, ooh, looking crazy, huh? Nah, don't you worry, girl. Anyway, so pretty much we're just gonna clean up that brow. This, at first, I was like, you know what? This is crazy. But trust me, when you're in between getting your eyebrows done, doing this extra tip right here really cleans it up. Looking good? Looking good? Yeah. All right, so do the top too. Don't forget about the top. All right, so take your brush and just pretty much create that shape. Ooh, they gonna take us serious now. You know people don't take you serious when you don't have your eyebrows on. They gonna take us real serious, like bam, bam, bam. Just go ahead and put that on like that. All right, now it's time to get rid of those dark circles under those eyes. So I use my MAC Prep and Prime highlighter prep and mix with the liquid concealer. When the two come together, bam, it's like magic. Ooh, yeah, so I just blend the two together. This really helps, I find, to make my concealer last all day under my eye. And then I use my MAC 287 brush. I just blend the two together, dab, 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 and just go ahead and start putting it under your eye. Now I like to create a little triangle under my eye. Doing it like this really creates that highlight effect, and what you're aiming for is like a natural highlight effect. I know it doesn't look natural right now, but it's gonna come together. All right, let's do the other side. So you can use your Fenty, not Fenty, any concealer you have. I just use Fenty. But you know what? I'm not going to use this today. Not today. I want a more brighter look, so that's why I'm using my MAC. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put that concealer right in the middle of my nose and then create a triangle above. Do you guys see that? If you notice, the sun is kind of naturally hitting my face, and that's where I'm adding that highlight. That's what highlighting is all about. Got me over here looking like Wakanda forever. Alright guys, so now I'm going to use my concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. Yeah, get in there, girl. And you just pat it on your lid. Just pat it all over. I'm using my Cover FX 170 brush and basically blending it in with the brush. I go back in with my beauty sponge and I blend it in as well. Ooh, wait, do you see that? Do you see that? Yeah, it looks good. So I'm just blending it all in first with my brush, my concealer brush, and then I go back in with my beauty sponge. Oh, can't even talk. Yeah, so just blend. So this next step, I'm actually going to add some shadows with this matchstick, Fenty of course, and we're going to snatch that face. We're going to bring it all in and bring that nose in and bring those cheeks in, and I just go down my face. Ooh, look all crazy. And yeah, you're just adding those lines and those shadows back into our face. We're just putting all that definition back into our face. So that same brush that I used, I just pinched it and I'm basically blending it in. You want to pinch that part with your nose because you don't want to have like a broad looking, I mean, broad is fine. I'm not saying anything's wrong with that, but your line will be broader. Beauty blender. Woo! I love it. Yes. So I go in with a damp beauty blender, and this is the part right here that will make or break the whole look. Seriously, guys. Blend, blend, blend. Blend like you've never blended before, girl. Blend. Just keep blending and blend and blend. Did I say blend? Yeah. Blend, blend. Have fun with it. Keep blending. Blend it out. I use my brush to blend out some more. You know, get those lines out. Again, I'm pinching the nose and getting in there. So this part I'm doing here, I'm putting it up into my eye socket. It really kind of creates that shadow with that eye. Oh yeah, still blending. All right, now it's time to set this whole look. I'm using my Mercier setting powder. It's so small because I got it in a gift box or something at Sephora. Yeah, so I just use my beauty blender and basically pat it on all over. This really brightens up the look. It really defines those pores, and it just puts everything all together. Whew. It's a lot of powder. All right, Huda Beauty Worm Obsessions time. So I go in with my eyeshadow palette. This crease color right here is a really good blending color. I like it, and I just start in that crease and that brow bone. Ooh, it's looking good. Alright, so I want to go in and prime my eyeball. I know I primed it. You could use concealer. That's fine. But I want to really make this look pop. So I'm going to prime that eyelid, and it's going to really make that pigmented golden color. It's empty, I know. Yeah. But it's going to make it really pop out. Primer makes a difference. Using concealer, primer, it just really makes that eyeshadow pop out. Oh yeah, the brush. Yeah, so I just use a flat brush. I like that for my eyeshadow. Any flat brush. Ooh, 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 girl. Yes, yes, you look good. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and clean up those two colors together. I go in with my warm color again, and I just blend them together. So now we want to work on that outer lid. Use the darkest color. Not darkest, but depending on how smoked out you want it. I just create a V, and it just blends kind of everything together. If you notice the V in there like that. And then we're doing the other side, just blending it all. We're getting there, don't worry. And now time to take all that powder off. This brush, yes, I got it from Ulta. It's just a regular setting powder brush, big fluffy brush. That's the key right there. Get it out. Get it out. Now that same crease color that I started off with, I'm going ahead and put it under my eye. I like this smoked kind of warm look it creates. And then I use my makeup wipes. This right here just kind of cleans up everything. I also go in with this, I think it's the same highlighter that I used on my lid. Yeah, it is. Did we miss the eyebrow? Oh my god, duh. Yeah, so we're gonna go in with this light highlighted color. Use something matte under the eyebrow. You can do something shimmer, but it's really nice created look when you use something light. We're just buffing out the whole look now. So it's blush time. This is my Becca. It's Nightingale. Any blush brush is fine. That same bone that's right there on top of your cheek, you're gonna smile and put that blush right on top of it. Alright guys, don't judge me for this one. I use Black Up. It's in a Ziploc bag. Yes, it broke up, but I love this contour. I use my Sephora 79 brush and basically contour my nose with it. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, that nose, man, look like I got a nose job. Alright, so I'm just putting those shadows back into your face. I'm not saying that you need a nose job. I'm not saying you need the contour. It's just, it makes it look good. Alright, highlighter. This highlighter, yes, it's my Rihanna. I think the color is Moscow Mule. I'll put it in the description box. So mascara time. I like to put mascara on before my lashes. That white stuff you saw was primer. Everything's kind of jumping pretty fast at this point because I know the video's going kind of long, but don't you worry, we're almost done. Yeah, so I go in with that Black Up and just kind of make it, clean it all up. And then I go back in with my brows. I know some people are like, we're done with that, but I like to use my eye pencil and clean up that eyebrow again, just in case that excess powder got on there or whatever. I just really like a defined eyebrow because you know people take you serious when you got your eyebrows done. Yes, honey. All right, lips. Mwah! We're done. Oh, wait, my hair. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Do you see that? Do you see that? This, ooh, yes. This completes our makeup look, and what y'all think? I think we came together pretty well. Look at that. Oh my god, this lip, this Pat McGrath lip right here with this pink background, y'all know that's popping, but I don't even need the background, I just need the lip. Oh, look at that lip. Tell me what you guys think about this makeup look. Do you like it? Do you want to see more of them? Make sure you like, you subscribe, comment below. I will leave description of the products I use just in case you missed that. And that pretty much sums it up. That's it. Bye, beauties.